Hello everybody. So today I'll talk a little bit about what is digital transformation and what does it lead to, and what are possible answers of companies dealing with digital transformation. So just assume we have a company. This is our company or organization. And what we know is that there is something going on in the world threatening companies these days. That is what we call the VUCA world. VUCA. And VUCA stands for this very unfavorable situation that's described by this acronym. It's a military definition, and it stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. So it is something that is basically rooted in the digitization. So that's the VUCA world, and that's a threat to each and every organization. We know that. Look at the taxi industry, look at the hotel industry, what Uber and Airbnb are doing, or Lyft, what Netflix did to Blockbuster. We have the Kodak example. There's like many examples. So we just know that this is somewhat of a problem. So how do organizations now respond? What do they do? Well, basically what they have to do is they have to inspire, engage, and enable digital people in their environment. What are digital people? First of all, customers. It's just out of question. We have to inspire customers. We have to take them on a digital journey to make sure that they can consume our offerings in each and every channel. And digital is the key. And we have employees. Employees want to interact with the company also in a digital way. Look at Pulse, just one example. Look at our new recruiting system. People want to upload their Xing profile, their LinkedIn profile. They don't want to type everything. They don't want to send out emails or even snail mail. They just want to interact with a system that was built digital at the first place. And we have business partners. And this is the inspire, engage, motivate. So now the company has several choices. We have here a very simplified model, and that is it's two axes. The one is down here, that will be technology. That would be the business model. And we have here existing business model, existing technology, we have new business models, and we have new technology. Right? So it gives us a matrix with 4 fields. So now we can just start to work. We can remain in the existing business model and make the existing business model better, faster, nicer, more engaging, so we can just basically change the customer journey without changing the business model. What is a business model? It's the logic how you create, deliver, and capture value. So how do you create value? What is the value in the first place? And then once you found it and you created it, how do you get it to the customer? And then it's very important that you capture the value for yourself, because if you just deliver cool value, but you're not making any money out of it, it's actually not so cool, at least not in the long run. So you can operate in these existing models, and you can just use technology that is existing in your company, or you can bring in new technology. So basically IT used to have a play here. This is what IT used to be. But suddenly, because there's so much opportunity, so much technology, so many things that we can use and to build new models, coming up with new business models is equally important. And yeah, maybe you just want to use existing technology and go up here. That would be Netflix starting to send out DVDs in an envelope, and you could always keep a certain amount of DVDs, and you didn't have to pay late fees. At Blockbuster, that was the major source of profit at the end of the day. And so you pay a monthly fee. It's a subscription-based model. It's a new business model. It's a different way to create value. And from there, they moved over here, doing streaming, new technology, new business model. You can just go right from here to there. You can also bring in new technology and just improve the customer journey, make it more exciting, make it better. But at the end of the day, you might be threatened from someone really living in this quadrant here. That's the Ubers, that's the Airbnbs, that's the Lyfts, that's the Gets, I don't know, whatever, okay? So this is how you can operate within your company, and just it's a play between technology and business model. But more importantly, to make this work, you need something more. You need a new culture, and that's what Peter Hinson describes as in the book The Network Always Wins, describes or names the vaccine model. Well, he's just basically missing one C. We know that vaccine. That's an acronym. V stands for velocity, so you want to be quick and fast. A is for agility. That's basically stability and speed. You want to be able to turn a dime. C is creativity. You want to come up with good stuff, create ideas. Innovation means putting them to work, creating business models that really do the trick. So N would be networking. You have to have probably a hybrid model for delivering stuff. It's probably more hierarchical, but you come up with ideas, with innovations, with creativity. You just need a network. People just coming together, no matter in what hierarchy they're in, what country, what business unit, whatsoever. So you just have to mix and just come up with their things, and have to have a place where they can meet in person, in the virtual reality. So they just need something. And E would be experimentation. So you need a culture where it can fail. It's not a big thing. So we try things, they're not working, you need a model, you have to take controlled risks, otherwise it's never gonna work. You never come up with all the beautiful ideas. Well, from time to time you should be right, otherwise, well, there's no business left. So that would be digital transformation in a nutshell. Digital transformation. Thanks for watching. See you soon.